Unraveling the meaning of pin down, a guide to understanding this English phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic in store for you. We are going to explore the meaning and various uses of the phrase, pin down. This is a phrase that you might have heard in different contexts. And today, we'll break it down together to ensure that you can use it confidently in your conversations. Firstly, let's talk about the literal meaning of pin down. Imagine you have a piece of paper, and it's windy. What do you do to keep the paper from flying away? You might use something to pin it down on the table. So in a literal sense, pin down refers to holding something firmly in place. In many cases, pin down is used in a metaphorical sense. It means to make someone give clear and definite answers, or to clearly understand a situation that is complex or confusing. Example 1. Making someone commit to an answer. Imagine you're planning a group trip, and one of your friends is unsure about joining. You might say, "We need to pin down Sarah on whether she's coming or not." In this context, pin down means to get a definite answer from Sarah about her plans. Example 2. Understanding a complex situation. Now, consider a work scenario. Your team is facing a problem, and the solution isn't clear. You might say, "We need to pin down the cause of this issue before we can solve it." Here, pin down means to identify clearly the cause of the problem. When learning a new phrase, it's important to also know what not to do. One common mistake is using pin down in a physical context where it doesn't make sense. For example, saying, "I pinned down my coffee," doesn't work, because coffee isn't something you can pin down physically or metaphorically. A good tip is to remember that pin down is usually used in contexts where clarity or commitment is needed, whether it's about getting a straight answer from someone or understanding a complex situation. And there we have it, a thorough look at the phrase, pin down. We hope that this video has helped clear up any confusion and that you now feel more confident using this phrase in your daily conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.